Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. Prepare to be blown away by this incredible 2025 model. Official computer images have been leaked online, providing an exciting glimpse into the future. Recent spy photos have unveiled important information about this renowned machine. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is an exciting update to BYD's electric vehicle lineup, blending advanced technology with eco-friendly design. The new model is expected to hit the market in late 2024, with updates focusing on performance, range, and interior comfort. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 introduces several enhancements, particularly in its electric powertrain. The vehicle now boasts a more powerful 301 horsepower engine and a torque of 410 Nm, providing a smoother and more dynamic driving experience. One of the most significant updates is the improved range, now reaching up to 522 kilometers on a single charge. This upgrade is thanks to the 60.48 kilowatt-hour blade battery, which offers better efficiency and longer-lasting power. The 2025 Atto 3 retains its sleek SUV silhouette, but with refined details. It comes in several vibrant color options like forest green, Parkour Red, ski white, Boulder Grey, and surf blue, allowing for more personalized choices. The design remains bold and modern, with LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a panoramic sunroof adding to its upscale appearance. Inside, the Atto 3 is equipped with high-end features designed for comfort and convenience. The cabin includes vegan leather seats, a multifunction steering wheel, and ambient lighting that responds to music, creating a dynamic atmosphere. The tech-savvy interior is highlighted by a 12.8-inch rotatable touchscreen, offering Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a wireless charging pad. Additionally, safety features such as a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assistance ensure a secure driving experience. The 2025 Atto 3 excels in energy efficiency with a combined energy consumption of 16 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. The vehicle's city range can reach up to 565 kilometers, making it ideal for both urban and long-distance driving. This marks a significant improvement over previous models, aligning with BYD's commitment to sustainability. The pricing for the 2025 BYD Atto 3 has not been officially confirmed, but it is anticipated to remain competitive within the electric SUV market. The vehicle is expected to be available for purchase by late 2024, with global distribution likely following shortly thereafter. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 presents a compelling option for those seeking a reliable, efficient, and stylish electric SUV, combining advanced technology with practical features for everyday use.